Mangroves are vitally important to the Bahamas. They provide essential habitat for our bonefish and wildlife. Our mangroves are also nursery habitat for commercial species like conch and lobster. But that's not all. Mangroves protect our communities against powerful storms and prevent coastal erosion. They also store vast amounts of carbon, which helps to mitigate the effects of climate change. For all these reasons, Bonefish and Tarpon Trust is taking a leading role in restoring and conserving mangroves of the Bahamas. With the help of fishing guides, students, and volunteers, we recently achieved our goal of planting 100,000 mangroves in areas of Grand Bahama and Abaco that were devastated by Hurricane Dorian. This project will help to support the natural recovery process and restore vital habitats of our bonefish. Now we're scaling up our efforts by planting 1 million mangroves with our Bahamas Mangrove Alliance founding partners Waterkeepers Bahamas and the Perry Institute for Marine Science. At the same time, our alliance continues to engage the government of the Bahamas on new policy measures to prevent loss and conserve mangroves at a nationwide scale. Together, we will ensure that the mangrove habitats are healthy and protected.
To learn more, visit btt.org.
Habitat loss is the greatest threat to our flats fisheries. That's why Bonefish and Tarpon Trust has been committed to restoring and conserving essential fish habitat for more than 25 years. From Florida to Belize, from the Bahamas to Mexico, we're restoring natural flows, replanting mangroves, and opposing unwise coastal development. But we can't do it alone. Help us bring science to the fight for the future of the fisheries we love. Become a member today at btt.org.